Climb inside the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.